Hello viewers, many people have bought many tablets during this code sale and Amazon Prime Day sale. Still, there are many people who are planning to buy this code sale, but I would recommend you not to buy any tablet right now. There are many reasons behind this. First of all, the price of all the tablets have increased gradually. So if you are planning to buy any tablet right now, you may have to pay 1000 or even 3000 rupees extra. At the start of the sale, it was expected that the price will be very low, but it is not as low as it was expected. So I think you should not buy any tablet right now. Rather, you should wait for Independence Day sale when you will get discounts on many tablets. And if you can wait till Big Billion Days sale, that will be the best sale of the year. Whether you have credit card or not, you will get the best discounts in BBD sale, in Flipkart.com and in Great Indian Sale in Amazon.in. The second reason is that many more tablets will be launched in the coming months, so you will have greater options to buy tablets. Also, if you are looking to buy any iPad, maybe iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation, in that case also the price will decrease more in the upcoming sales. However, iPad 10th generation was sold at a price point of 23,499 rupees. That was the lowest price that people got during this sale. But I think the price of iPad 10th generation will be decreased more, and in Big Billion Days sale you can get this iPad 10th generation at around 20,000 price bracket. Similarly, the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE will be around 19 to 20,000 rupees, and Tab S9 FE Plus will be sold at around 21 to 23 price bracket. Price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE series will also come down, so you can get a very good discounts on Tab S9 FE or S9 FE Plus in Independence Day sale or in Big Billion Days sale. Similarly, discounts will be available on tablets like Redmi Pad Pro, Poco Pad 5G, Xiaomi Pad 7, Redmi Pad 2, OnePlus Pad 256GB variant, OnePlus Pad 2, Realme Pad 2, Lenovo Tab Plus, Lenovo Idea Pro. Also, there will be discounts on iPad series such as iPad 11th generation, iPad Air M1, M2, M3, iPad Pro. So finally, in the conclusion, you have to show some patience, because if you buy any tablet in a hurry, in the long run you will repent for your decision. So it is wiser for you to wait for a few days, maybe Independence Day sale or Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Sale to get the best discounts. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions in your mind, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.